Harvard Business Review study found that employees who spent 15 minutes at the end of the day reflecting on lessons learned performed 23% better after 10 days than those who did not self-reflect. So just call a little time out, a walk, a journal, whatever it is, to analyze your day, analyze your patterns, analyze what's gone well, analyze where the setbacks have been, and can we make changes as opposed to always doing the same thing. There's an old verse in the scripture say, a weary dog returns to his own vomit. And it's kind of like the dog eating its own throw up. And that's pretty nasty. Well, so is the same thing pretty nasty when we go back to the same mistake over and over again, with the same communication mistake, the same work style, the same interpersonal mistake. And we do it over and over and over again. We're as dumb as a dog when we do that stuff.